guys, it's me again, it's Catalina, and we are going to continue with our little bird. Last time we did row 1 through 5, now we're going to do row 6 through 9. Here's how we left off, and let's get started. We're going to be doing 4 single crochets and then increasing. So every time you increase, you're going to end on your first increase, you're going to be 4 stitches and then 2 stitches, so it's going to be 6. So you're increasing by, you understand. I'll explain it. So 1 single crochet, 2, single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4, single crochets, and then 5 single crochet, and in that same 5th stitch you put your hook back in to do an increase, and that equals 6, and then we're doing 6 more, so it's 4, 5, and then that same 5th you're going to do 6, so we're going to get up to 12. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and in that same one we go back in for 12. We do that again, we're going to get to 18. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then that same one, 18. We do our section again, and we're getting to 24. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 22, 23, and in that same one, 24. Alright, we're going to do it again to 30. Here we go. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 24, 25, 26, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, sorry. 29, and in that same one, 30. Our last, and then we're going to end on 36. So 30, 31, 32, 33, don't do that, 34, and 35 and 36 are going to go into that same stitch. 35, and same one, 36. Here we go. It's pretty flat because we're evenly spacing them out. But with row 7, in which we just single crochet around, we're going to get a little bit of a, you know, like a bowl sort of shape. And we're still getting big. It's gonna be pretty big. Like, look at this. All right. So row 7, we're just single crocheting around. It's pretty easy. I don't have to explain it to you guys. I'm gonna try and knock it out really quick so we can continue. All right. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm just trying to get this done. Almost done, guys. Give me a sec. Alrighty, guys, that was row 7, which was just 36 single crochets around, and that was pretty fun, for you guys at least. For me, it was a little stressful, just trying to get it done as quickly as possible. You guys can now see that it's starting to turn into a little bit of a bowl, starting to have a point, and we still need to increase. We're not even done. Alright, guys, we're going to be doing 5 single crochets and increase. That means at the end of the increase, so the second stitch in the same is going to be 7. So you're going to be going up. So if you're counting along, it's 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Make sense? Good? Great? Okay. Let's start. Alright, so 5 single crochets and then an increase. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and in that 6th one, right in there, goes your 7th. There goes your increase. Then we go up to 14. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then right in here, same stitch, 14. We continue and we'll be at 21. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then that same one, 21. And we continue to 28. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 27, and then that same one is 28. We continue to 35, so 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and in that same one, 35. And we're going to continue to 42. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and in that same stitch, 42. Alright guys, and we're going to keep going. We're now doing 6 single crochets and increase. So each one of these is going to be 8. Then it's going to be 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Alright, let's do this, see if we can get it in under 20 minutes, the total amount of this video. So, starting off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in that same one, 8. Then we go up to 16, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and in that same one goes 16. Then we go up to 24. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and in that same one goes 24. Then we go up to 32, so 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and then that same one goes 32. And we're going to go up to 40. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and in that same one goes 40. Last stretch, you guys. 6, and then we're going to end on 48. So, let's do this. That was 40. This is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and then take out our stitch marker, 47, and in that same one, 48. Alright guys, that was row 9. I'm going to go ahead off camera after this video. I'm going to do row 10 to 15, which is just single crochet around. And then from there, when we come back next episode, we're going to be starting our decrease. I won't be able to do a lot. I'm going to try to do up to row 19. I can't promise anything, but I'm going to try. It's a lot. I mean, you guys see this. It's a lot. So right now we just did about here, and we're going to start, you're going to start seeing the shape of pretty much like a cup, you know, like a bowl. And then when we start decreasing, you're going to start seeing this part right here. Alright, that's about it. Don't forget to do, it's going to be 6 rows because you're at row 9. You do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 rows of just single crochet around. And then we're going to come back to 16, 17, 18, and hopefully 19. If not, don't worry. I think that's it. That's all I have to say. Bye, guys.